Stop. Right now. If you're new to crypto, one wrong click could wipe out your entire savings. Poof. Gone forever. Hey everyone, it's Cash Flow Craze here. I've seen beginners just like you lose millions to sneaky crypto scams. It's heartbreaking. Today, I'm exposing the top 7 traps thieves are using to target beginners right now in 2025. These aren't old tricks. They're clever, they're evolving, and they look totally legit. But by the end of this, you'll know exactly how to spot them and protect your money. Let's start with the biggest one. Scam number 1, fake exchanges. Here's how it works. You Google buy Bitcoin or sign up for Coinbase. You click the first ad you see, and it looks perfect. Same logo, same colors, same everything. You type in your password, maybe even your credit card. But that site? It's a fake. A clone. The second you hit submit, hackers grab your info and empty your account. How to beat this? Always check the website address twice. Fake sites have sneaky typos, like coinbase.com or bananas.net. If you see extra words or weird spelling, run. Better yet, never click Google ads for crypto exchanges. Ever. Type the real website yourself. Every single time. Scam number 2, fake support DMs. Imagine this. You're scrolling Twitter or Discord about crypto. Suddenly, ping, a DM pops up. Hello sir. We detected a security issue with your wallet. Click here to fix now. They look official. Logo, professional name, maybe even Coinbase_support. They sound urgent. Act fast or lose your funds. But here's the trap. They'll help you secure your wallet by asking for your secret recovery phrase, or trick you into clicking a link that installs malware. Once they have that phrase, they empty your wallet in seconds. Red flag alert, real crypto companies never DM you first. Ever. If someone slides into your DMs claiming to be support, it's 100% a scam. Block them. Report them. Don't even reply. Scam number 3, fake giveaways. Scam number 3, fake celebrity giveaways. You see a video of Elon Musk, Mr. Beast, or a crypto influencer saying, send 1 ETH to this address, get 10 ETH back. Limited time. It looks real. The video is flawless. The account has a blue check mark. But here's the truth, it's a deepfake. A scammer using AI to clone a celebrity's voice and face. How it works, you send your crypto to their giveaway address, and you get nothing. Your ETH vanishes. The account gets deleted. Golden rule, no real celebrity will ever ask you to send them crypto for free money. If it promises free crypto, it's a scam. Period. Verify every announcement on the celebrity's official website or channel. Scam number 4, dusting attacks. Scam number 4, dusting attacks, the silent trap. You check your crypto wallet one day and see a random token you never bought. Something like free_ETH or Uniswap_gift. Sweet. Free money. You think. You try to sell it. Or click a link in its description to claim more. Stop. This is the trap. That token is poison. By interacting with it, selling it or clicking its link, you accidentally sign a transaction that gives hackers access to your entire wallet. Safety rule, if you see mystery tokens, ignore them completely. Don't touch. Don't sell. Don't click. They're bait. Scam number 5, phishing sites. Scam number 5, perfect clone phishing sites. You Google MetaMask login or Trust Wallet download. The first result looks legit, same colors, same logo. You enter your secret 12-word phrase to unlock your wallet. Game over. That site was a clone. Hackers now have your keys. They'll drain your wallet before you can blink. Defense tactic, never Google wallet links. Never. Bookmark the real sites, metamask.io, trustwallet.com, ledger.com. Type them manually every time. If you enter your seed phrase anywhere online, you've been scammed. Scam number 6, romance scams. You meet someone on Tinder, Instagram, or Facebook. They're charming. They talk crypto. Over weeks, they gain your trust. Then they say, I know a secret trading trick. Send me crypto, I'll grow it for us. You spend $500. Then $5,000. They show fake screenshots of your gains. Then they ghost you. Your money, and your soulmate, are gone. Hard truth, if someone you met online asks for crypto, even for investment, it's a scam. Real partners don't need your crypto keys. Scam number 7. Liquidity mining trap. Scam number 7. Too good to be true earn schemes. You see a website, earn 1000% APY on your crypto. But crazy returns. Professional design. Fake testimonials. You deposit your crypto. For a day, you see fake numbers go up. Then poof, the site vanishes. Your money's gone. A classic rug pull. If investment sounds insane, 1000% APY, it's a scam. Stick to trusted platforms like Coinbase Earn or Binance Savings. Greed clouds judgment. Don't be the victim. Now, let's armor up. Here's your crypto survival kit. First commandment, not your keys, not your crypto. Translation? If you don't control your seed phrase, you don't truly own your coins. Get a hardware wallet, like Trezor or Ledger. Sleep better at night. Your 4 non-negotiable rules. 1. Bookmark official sites, Coinbase.com, Binance.us, MetaMask.io. Never Google them. Ever. 2. Double lock exchanges, enable 2 factors, authenticator app only, not SMS. Turn on whitelisting too. 3. Seed phrase equals sacred, never type it anywhere. Never share it. Not with support. Not with your mom. Nobody. 4. Verify before you buy, paste token addresses into Etherscan. Check if the contract's legit or a honeypot. Free weapon, dexscreener.com. Track new tokens like a pro. If 90% of supply is in one wallet? Run. These 7 scams steal millions daily. But now? You're vaccinated. Do this right now, comment below, which scam shocked you most? Or share your close call, your story could save someone. Smash subscribe, tap that button. Next week, how to spot fake crypto influencers, the wolves in guru clothing. Last order, share this video with every crypto newbie you know. Seriously, copy the link right now. You might save their savings. Stay sharp. Your crypto is now safer than 99% of beginners. Good luck.